Welcome back to Take Apart Engineering. In this week's video, we're going to continue our discussion about measurement. If you remember, in last week's video, we learned how to read a 12-inch ruler. In today's video, we'll learn about metric rulers. Did you know that the metric system is considered the universal system of measurement? It's the international standard based on the powers of 10, and it's used to measure length, width, and distance. Our metric ruler, shown on the screen, is divided into units of measurements. The two units of measurements are called centimeters and millimeters. Now take a look at our metric ruler on the screen, and you can see that the markings are broken down into numbered lines, which represent centimeters, and smaller lines in between those number lines that represent millimeters. Now, using our metric ruler, let's practice reading a couple measurements. You always want to align the 0 mark at the starting point of the object you are measuring. Then, you want to find the centimeter number mark that you want to measure to for the length of your object. In this case, let's measure to 5 centimeters. Next, if your endpoint is between two of those numbered centimeter marks, you simply count the millimeter marks to get the exact length. In this case, let's measure to 5 centimeters and 7 millimeters. Now, use your metric ruler and a piece of paper and pencil to practice measuring various different metric lengths. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time here at Take Apart Engineering.